being able to simplify can be very useful when we are looking at perimeter questions in two-dimensional shapes. Recall that perimeter means the distance around the outside of the shape, and that when we solved for perimeter, what we looked at doing is we looked at adding up all the outside side lengths. In this case, the side lengths are represented by expressions, and these expressions have x's in them and have constants in it. So the first thing we want to make sure that we do is we want to make sure that we label all of the sides that we have here, because right now, currently, we only have two sides that are labeled. So if this is a rectangle, then the two lengths must be the same. So if this is 5x minus 1, we can put a 5x minus 1 up here. And if we take a look over here, we have 2x plus 3 as our width. So we can add that 2x plus 3 on this side as well. So we get 2x plus 3. Okay. Now we know all four side lengths as an expression. And so to find the perimeter, we want to add them all up. So I'm going to create an expression that says 5x minus 1 plus 2x plus 3 plus another 5x minus 1 plus another 2x plus 3. Okay? So these were the four sides that we have on the rectangle. Okay, to simplify that, again, we are just gathering the like terms of things that are the same. I am going to circle all my x terms. So I got 5x plus 2x plus 5x plus 2x, and notice how I'm circling the sign, the plus or the minus that's in front. And then I'm just going to add them up. Well, 5 plus 2 is 7, plus another 5 plus 2 is another 7, so altogether I have 14x. And then I'm going to look at my constants. So I have a minus 1 plus 3 minus 1 plus 3, and there's my cat trying to get into the video. And if I put that together, negative 1 plus 3 gives me a 2, minus 1 gives me 1, plus 3 gives me 4. So the answer is 4, and that's a positive 4, so I'm going to need to put a plus sign there. Okay. The next example I'm going to do for you is a triangle. This is an equilateral triangle, as demonstrated by these little lines here. It just means all three sides are exactly the same side length. So I've been given one side length of 3x minus 5. So the first thing I need to do is fill in the other side lengths. We got 3x minus 5 here, and as well over here would be 3x minus 5. Okay. So then I want to add the 3 up together. So perimeter is equal to the 3x minus 5 plus 3x minus 5 plus 3x minus 5. There are three sides. I need to add up three expressions. Again, good strategy is to circle all the x terms. So I got the 3x plus 3x plus 3x. And if I add those three x's all together, my pen's kind of running out, 3 plus 3 plus 3 is 9x. And then I'm going to do the same thing with my numbers. I have minus 5, minus 5, minus 5. Again, when you put this onto your calculator, the first minus, you're going to use your negative button on your calculator, that plus or minus or that negative in brackets. So you're going to go negative 5. Then take away 5 would give you a negative 15. So we would say 9x minus 15.